Hello everyone, welcome to Takeoff. Today we are going to see about a workshop on IoT with ARM7. Let us move on to the session. So before moving on to the content, let us know about what is an IoT and what is ARM7. IoT means we all know that Internet of Things. So what is the use of Internet of Things? So by using IoT, we are going to collect each and every data and we are going to store the data in cloud for future purpose. So that is called IoT. Here we are going to learn about ARM7 processor, which is one of the basic things we need to understand before going for advanced processors. So let us see about the workshop context. So first thing is programming ARM using Kale. So we need to program the ARM controller by using a software called Kale. Second thing is how to interface sensors. So we are using different types of sensors. We need to know how to use that sensors. Third thing is how to extract data from that sensors. So as I have said, we are using different types of sensors. Each and every sensor will have different types of communications. We need to understand that one, and according to that we need to extract data from that sensors. Next thing is usage of ADC. So ADC is one of the important thing. ADC is called analog to digital conversion. So each and every sensor will give outputs in analogs. We need to convert that to digital forms by using this ADCs. Next thing is get an API key from web server. So how we can communicate our microcontroller data with server means, how it is possible means by using this API key. So this API key we need to get from web server. How to get that API key from web server? There are a lot of protocols. So here we are going to use a UART protocol. The last thing is verify the output in server. So after uploading the data into the server, we need to check in the server whether our output is uploaded in that server or not. So let us move on to the practical session. Today we are going to do a project on weather forecasting using ARM7. So in this project what we are going to do is we are going to take data from DHT11 sensor, that is temperature and humidity. These two data we are going to upload in a web server and we are going to check whether the data is uploading or not. Let us move on to a block diagram. So in this block diagram we are using a power supply to power up the circuits, an ARM controller which we are going to write programs in that one, a DHT11 sensor for getting the values of temperature and humidity, GPRS module for uploading the data into the cloud server, then an LCD to monitor what is happening in the controller. Let us move on to the software session. We have developed code for ARM7 by using Kale IDE. Here I am writing code by using embedded C, which is high level language. Kale will convert this high level language file into a machine readable language file called hex file, which is understandable by microcontroller. By using FlashMagic software, we are dumping the hex file into the ARM7 microcontroller. Let us see our project output. So this is the ARM7 microcontroller we are using for this project. This is the LCD panel. This is the GPRS panel. This is the sensor DHT11 and we are giving power supply by using 12 volt adapter. So let us power this adapter and we will see the output. Here by using the DHT sensor, our microcontroller is reading some data and it is displaying here temperature, what is the value of the temperature and what is the value of the humidity. Then by using this GPRS module, it is uploading to the cloud server. So this is the output for our project. Let us see the output in our server. This is the server we are using to upload the data for our project. In this server, we are using two fields. One is for temperature and another one is for humidity. Once the data is uploaded, server will generate corresponding graph for that data. Why Takeoff? Here we are mainly focusing on more practical and less theory. Our learning environment will be in 90% hands-on practical approach and 10% theory with multiple number of practical tasks. Duration. Here we are conducting this workshop for 2 days. We will spend 12 hours with 6 hours per day. What you will gain from this workshop? You can able to write programs for your own hardware. You can learn different types of sensor modules, increase your debugging skills in programming, build your career as a IoT professional. Requirements. Students needs to bring their own laptops or else management needs to provide computer labs with sufficient number of systems for registered students. Management needs to arrange seminar hall with projector and mic facilities.